How to make money online. As we mentioned above, there are a variety of ways that you can make money online. Find freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer. And there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Be sure to check out Upwork. They are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelance jobs. You'll see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialties. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork, and it's free to join. There are also over 2 million jobs for freelancers listed on Upwork. FlexJobs and SolidGigs are also excellent sites for freelancers who are looking for work. In general, you will not have to worry about any scam jobs at FlexJobs. They research the jobs very thoroughly and monitor everything very closely. You can find many niche jobs on FlexJobs. Time is always money, even for a freelancer. If you need work fast, check out SolidGigs. They filter out all the jobs fast and then send you the best ones, thereby vetting the opportunities for you. With SolidGigs, you won't waste time scrolling through dozens of jobs listed. Start a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money online with a YouTube channel. The most popular way is to add AdSense ads to your videos. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you make money. You can also promote products in your videos on YouTube by wearing or using certain products in your videos. Add a link to your online store to get people to visit your store and buy your items or contract with third-party companies to promote their products. Just make sure you have a compelling offer for your viewers. Another way to make money on your YouTube channel is to create sponsored content. This way, you can make a profit by endorsing branded products or creating content marketing videos. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping can be a simple and profitable business model. You don't have to pay for storing your inventory, instead you act as the go-between. Find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale, then mark it up and earn a profit for yourself. From computers and clothing to jewelry and health food, there are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. When you do this, you will need to have a website and an e-commerce storefront of your own to market and sell the products. Take online surveys. Believe it or not, you can make money online by taking surveys. There are online survey websites where you can take a survey in your spare time and earn gift cards or cash. Just keep in mind that some paid survey sites are better than others. Branded surveys is one way to earn money online by taking surveys. It's also a favorite of many. They have a sign-up bonus, competitions, a loyalty program, and competitive payouts. You can earn up to $5 for each survey that you complete. Create a blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool because they're easy to create and offer many routes for monetization. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you could create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Or, Maybe you've got a blog that specializes in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to that topic, like guides, templates, ebooks, and more, to folks that visit your blog. If you don't have your own goods to sell, you could become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's goods on your site. Whenever someone clicks on the link, you receive a commission from the sponsoring company. There are plenty of affiliate networks that have an extensive list of companies for you to join and become an affiliate marketer with. Another way to make money with your blog is to put AdSense ads on it. Every time someone clicks the ad, you make money. It can be a great way to earn passive income. Write and publish an ebook. If you have some measure of knowledge on any specific topic, you can always write and publish an ebook to make money online. Just be sure to write about a topic that is relevant to your blog. This will increase your chances of making a sale, since your audience comes to your blog because of your topic or niche. You can also develop a newsletter list and email potential buyers about your ebook. Develop an app. By developing an app, you can help put a brand right on the home screen of its audience's mobile devices. This way they can enjoy gamification, dedicated communities, and interactive content. App developers are in demand, so developing your own app or working for a company in need can be a great way to earn extra income. Become a virtual tutor. Tutors are always in demand. Whether you are a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help learners improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just keep in mind that you should have the teaching experience and a subject-specific certification. This will help create credibility for both parents and students.